All right, I'm gonna try this live thing one more time. If my signal fade this time, then I have to catch it at another time. But pretty much, as I was ending my earlier, I was giving my prayers to our Houston brothers and sisters who are being affected by the flood. I hope everybody's doing well. My prayers, and hope no one suffers from anything they can't recover from. Anyways, other than that, I'm just kind of laptop a little bit of time to charge. Well, I'm on my way to a job site. Kind of update y'all on what I've been doing. Today, my work day has been pretty much me making some updates to the code, fine tuning the website a little bit, moving some things around, streamlining some of my products and services, making sure it works well on the back end, getting some of my special pricing available and in order, things like that. But right now, I wear all the hats pretty much. I do have a young lady that does marketing as well, and another young lady also who does sales and marketing as needed. But me, I wear a lot of hats. I do the technical work. I also reach out and do the sales and reach out as far as gaining contracts. I'm starting to get a little bit of recognition. I noticed one of the problems with me having this company is that now, which makes it hard to find a job, which I'm not really looking for. I'm not really looking for a job. I'm pretty happy trying to get this company off the ground. But one of the things that makes it difficult to get a job now that I do have this company is when they do their research on me, all of these companies see that I exist. And of course, they don't want conflict of interest, competition, or, think that you're not going to stand out, that kind of stuff. So that's kind of good for me. I like seeing that because it's forcing me to do what I need to do and make sure I get it taken care of. But other than that, I'm just kind of sitting around with job out of it. Man, I'm about to call it a day for us trying to broadcast live.
These days, we're all stressed. How do you system? That's why I'm partnering with Signet to remind you to go in for your annual checkup and be open with your doctor about anything you feel, physically or emotionally, body and mind.
A junior and a fry. You have.
And then the sicker was it was doggone weather all backed up. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Everything moving super slow today. But at least we ain't get it like they got it in Houston.
The truth is, Dr. Oz, you just can't tell. They don't look like a sicko. They actually can be very good at making a child, and they could be a man or a woman. And they're very, very good at getting what's called pedigree of the blood. But before you know it, you start to find these inconsistencies, these lies. And when you call them out on it, they look to switch on you. They start to gaslight you. They lead you to start questioning your own facts. You could say, I know candidate X, Y, Z. And then look you dead in the eye and say, it wasn't me. I didn't do that. So then that leaves you feeling deflated and demoralized. But here's the thing, they don't empathy. They only think about themselves, although they may claim to be working for charity or being a good person. It's not consistent with who they are. And then when you find themselves pretending like yourself, normally, when we're talking about
You don't y'all get it. You don't y'all get it.
That's a huge problem. The case with my guy is a little bit of a dark office story. They move way too fast. They tell you they love you, and then they're talking about getting married, or not walking up and spending the rest of their life with you, and they kind of skip all the building blocks in a relationship. So it takes time to get to know somebody, and it's going so fast, but you're so caught up in sort of the world and the magic and the romance and the charm that you're talking about, and it's like, hey, it's a rush, and so you kind of don't realize when you're in the middle of it, but this is just way, way too fast. If it's not about them, they don't like it. If you're sharing the resources and the time where love their family and friends, they see this as a threat. By hunger. They don't want you spending time with family and friends. Why? Because their family and friends will actually exploit them. Exactly, because you're in this love game. So they tend to make you believe that your friends and family members are jealous of what you have. You have something so special, and they lure you away from it. Yeah, and you're isolated.
So this is like you should be their family. At the same time, they're pulling you away from yours. You look at who theirs. You know.
They control you. They want to know everything about you because they're gathering information, to work their scam against you. Because they're very guarded, They'll give you limited, in my experience, information. They want you from meeting their friends and family. They tell you very little about their childhood, about their they give you vague answers. If you really start to pay attention, the story starts to flip a little bit. They're just very vague, and most of good reason. And that's a giant red flag.
It's only going an hour and 40. Where's the study? Also going an hour and 40. A lot of that. An hour and 40.
One of the things I always tell women.
Oh, yeah. That's what we put in there. That's on the other hand. That's what we put in there for our friends.
This thing is really weird when you control it in last time. Trump side of the road.
Down the top of the road.
Yeah, right beside that ramp. Yeah, the southern road free.
This is not supposed to happen to me. And the same with don't do that to yourself. We can't figure that out.